What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. We got a nice easy one today, perfect for them Thanksgiving leftovers. Making an omelet, stuffing omelet. I made one last year too, but this time I'm gonna put some more stuff in there. I'm gonna go in with the turkey, the green bean casserole, the stuffing, eggs, a little bit of seasoning. Easy recipe. So let's get it going. All right, we got the griddle up to about 350. We're gonna go ahead and get going on this turkey and the green bean casserole. There we go. I'm gonna throw a little butter in there too. There we go. Add a little oil, a little butter. That'll be good. And I think this this part of the turkey that I have is the breast. So let's go ahead and get this stuff on. All right, so there's a turkey. Now I had a couple slices of it, so I just chopped it up like real fine. Get it like that. Just gonna let this stuff, I mean, it's all cooked, ready to go, just needs to heat up. Boom, that'll cook up real good too. All right, boom. Now I'm gonna put the stuffing on later because that's not gonna take very long at all. And then I'm gonna mix the eggs and whew. All right, this stuff's been going good now for a few. Let's get this, there we go. Yes, I did put some butter down, as you saw, just because I feel like that gives everything a lot more flavor. So boom, let's just let that heat up. I got the eggs beat over here. Then we're ready to go. So yeah, this stuff's cooking up good. I'm actually about ready to just turn these burners off because this stuff's cooking up really good. All right, so everything's ready to go. I turned all my burners off because my griddle was getting too hot. Trying to overcompensate for the cold weather that we got coming in now. So let's just move this over. Actually, let's put a little bit of oil down. We're gonna put a little oil and butter because that's how I do my eggs all the time. There we go, don't need much butter. Get in there. All right. Yeah, my griddle was at 350. Yeah, 350, and it's a little too hot, so I turned all my stuff off. Let's see where we're at now. Like 310. All right, so let's get this stuffing over here first. Gonna kind of put it in somewhat of a circle. I'm gonna clean up the circle after I pour the eggs in there. I'm gonna chop that up a little bit. I don't want real big chunks just because I don't want that. So yeah, let's get that. And let's put these eggs on. So now I'm just cleaning up the edge here, trying to get into somewhat of a circle. That'll do right there. Just kind of keep this end in here. Boom, now let's put some turkey. Ooh, baby. This turkey was amazing. I mean, nothing special, just your standard turkey, but man, so good. Green bean casserole, that's pretty much your standard green bean casserole, except we put, what is it, sour cream and shredded cheddar cheese to help thicken it up because we don't really like it thin. So yeah, boom, just let that stuff go right there. Let this thing cook up for a hot second. It's getting there. So I threw some cheese on there. You ain't got to do that if you don't want to, but that's what I like. So boom, throw the cover over there, let that melt, and then it's time to eat. Let's give this thing a look-see. Ooh, look at that. Man, it looks so good. Get out of here. Ooh, look at that, baby. Mmm. Beautiful, beautiful omelet. Can you give me a fork? I always forget something, man. All the time. Let's do this. You know, let's cut it in half, see how she looks. Mmm. Ooh. Yes. Mmm. That looks so good. Oh, baby. All that cheese. I mean, my favorite thing about this is the stuffing. Stuffing is just awesome. But the crust on the outside of that turkey, man, that's a dynamite flavor right there. All that creamy cheese. Just perfect. Everything about this. I'm about to get in, eat my dinner, but first, we have a giveaway we're gonna do. I'm gonna do another video, a midweek video next week, and I'll talk about it then too. But next Saturday, the Saturday after Thanksgiving, I'm gonna announce the winner for that. And we're gonna give a griddle away again. We're gonna try and do a 28-inch, but last time I did a giveaway, Stephen Camp was the winner, and it was tough to get it ordered and delivered because they were out of stock everywhere. So hopefully we don't have that issue again. So yeah, like the video, be a subscriber, comment below. You can email me. I'll have that in the description of the video. I just need a way for me to contact you to let you know that you are the winner. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.